Welcome to Proactive Overseas Consultants. Today I would like to present you a topic on 5 best countries to study abroad for mechanical engineering. One of the leading graduation degrees that students worldwide vie for is Master of Science. While selecting the right course suited to personal preference, important, it is highly important to choose the right country and the university as well. There are several countries which can achieve great skills and experience in the field of mechanical engineering. Following are the top countries to pursue one's dreams of studying for an MS degree in mechanical engineering abroad. The first and foremost country and the most preferable country is the USA. United States is one of the most preferred destinations for higher education. The US has great number of top mechanical engineering schools. Indian students also prefer US as a destination as it provides high quality of education. Scholarships, job opportunities and a good number of Indian students are there to give you company. Some of the top universities in the USA are California Institute of Technology, Northwestern University, Cornell University, Princeton University and Pennsylvania State University. If you are looking to prepare for the GRE, which is a must to get into any of these universities, do check out our website Proactive Overseas Consultants Vijayawada, and we have very good ranking among all the abroad education consultancies in Vijayawada city. And the second most preferable country is Germany. The German universities provide subsidized education to students. This helps them to save a lot of money. Germany is the second most popular place for pursuing MS in mechanical engineering. There are 14 German universities known for their mechanical engineering ranking, out of which 6 appear in the world's top 50 university rankings. Some of the top universities in Germany are Technische University München, Heidelberg University, Technical University of Berlin and Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. And the third most probable country is Canada. Out the top 100 universities for mechanical engineering, Canada is home to 13, out of which 2 are among the top 50. The Canadian universities are nowadays gaining importance. More and more students prefer Canada to pursue higher studies. Some of the top universities in Canada are University of Toronto, McGill University, University of British Columbia and University of Waterloo. One needs to prepare for IELTS to get into any of these colleges abroad. Do check Proactive Overseas Consultants Vijayawada website. And the fourth preferable country is the United Kingdom. Masters in the UK is advantageous for students because the duration of MS is shorter than any other country and you will graduate earlier. The UK has 28 top mechanical engineering universities, the highest number apart from the US. UK has some of the top universities which give you good academic career. Some of the top universities are Oxford University, University of Birmingham, University of Glasgow and University of Sheffield. And the fifth most preferable country for MS in mechanical engineering is Japan. Japan has 14 top mechanical engineering universities. However, the lifestyle, cultural and language differences are great. So many international students don't give Japan a chance. Some of the top universities are University of Tokyo, Tokyo Institute of Technology, Kyoto University. Explore your study abroad career options by logging on to Proactive Overseas Consultants Vijayawada website and get access to unbiased study abroad advisory. Feel free to compare the rankings of various universities. Wish you all the best. God bless you.